It's afternoon now, so good afternoon. And today is the 12th month of the 13 months of the Mayan calendar year that will complete on July 24th. So if you want to get your calendar for next year, you can do that at 13moon.com. And you can also decode a birth date so you can find out which of the 260 kin that you're a member of. There's 20 kin and there's 13 tones. And combined together, they make 260 possibilities, and you're one of those 260 possibilities. And today is in the Pope Gregory calendar, this is June 14th. And in the Mayan calendar, it's Crystal 16. And it's related to the root chakra. And today is a red electric earth day. And the term that is written below it is guided by birth. I'm going to read just a little bit of information from the top of page 11 of the calendar that I just became aware of today. The 20 solar tribes and the 13 tones of creation work in concert to describe 260 possibilities, which represent life's vast range of diverse qualities and manifestations. In the book Tzolk'in, John Major Jenkins points out that the number 20 represents an internal biorhythm of archetypal shifting, what he calls a biopsychic rhythm of cycling inner qualities, which originates in the biopsychic structure of our psyche, 20 fingers and toes, while the number 13 represents the unfolding growth of the human spirit, as well as the germination, growth, and completion of all systemic processes. He distinguishes the 20 as more of an internal cycle and the 13 as more of an external cycle. One could also say that the solar seal of the day is like a vessel which energy moves through. The what, while the tone of the day is like the how, the specific way that energy moves through that vessel. So we're going to start with the inner container. And the inner container today is, of the 20 containers, today is the red earth, which is number 17, which relates to the heart. Now, on the day of the week, it depends what energetic we're working with in terms of our chakra system. So today is the root chakra. But the red earth is related to the heart. And it's about evolving, navigating, and synchronicity. And Telektonon said that synchronicity is how we experience telepathy. So he mentioned that the 20 kin are solar tones, and that's more of the container for the energetics of the lunar tones. So as a synchronized whole system, Earth, we're part of that energy of Earth, is a conscious sentient being. Abrahamanad, the soul of the Earth, a conscious sentient being, an integral member of the larger galactic community. Humanity, as a unique part of this living system, belongs to the Earth, and our collective evolution is a shared journey in time. Living in resonance with the Earth, honoring Gaia's magic in our heart, we maintain a mutual connection that feeds our spirit and informs our navigation. We exchange the power of healing and support when we consciously affirm our unity. Synchronicity is born of timing. Life's natural time expresses itself as the synchronic order, the galactic ordering dynamic which coordinates the unfolding of all events as one cosmic expression of now. Synchronicity is constantly happening, yet to be aware of it requires deep mindfulness, sensitivity to the subtle nuances. By combining devotion to the present moment, I like that, devotion to the present moment, with attention to the harmonic codes of time, our sense of navigation evolves. Keen to direction furnished by every clue, we can fully trust in the scheme of synchronicity. What we need to see, we will see. What we need to know at any moment will be revealed. At this juncture of evolution, all planetary citizens are called forth to participate in shifting our collective consciousness that we may set a new course of action, one which aspires to heal the biosphere by functioning in harmony with nature. Ultimately, Earth's fate is our fate. We are one Earth, one time, one people. Let us together navigate our collective evolution in conscious synchronization with the living Earth force. Today is the day of the red Earth. The 20 solar tribes. So I am a red dragon. You can find out what you are by going to 13moon.com. And while you're there, you may as well order a calendar so you can follow it when I'm reading it beginning on July 26th for next year. I'll read it up till there. Okay, so also we have the lunar tone, the 13 moon tones. So the other ones are the solar tones. So we have the sun tones and the moon tones. The sun has 20 tones, 20 kin. The lunar has 13 tones. And tone number 3 is the electric tone. And it's to activate, bond, and service. And the words on the page are, service is love made visible. Tone 3 represents the sacred Trinity in all of its manifestations. The energy of 3 moves us beyond polarity, ushering in the electrifying current of activation. Instead of the give and take of 2, we access the dynamic exchange with 3 makes possible. Energy is now capable of bonding, allowing for an expanded dimension of structure and creational possibilities to emerge. This new dimension awakens creative currents, inspiring circulation, variability, and fresh potential for alignments. Okay, that's the Mayan calendar reading for today. Have a great red electric Earth Day. And we'll talk soon. Namaste.